Our first lesson, we're going to do 2 lessons today, and our first lesson is Chapter 4, Lesson 2C, and it is called Solving Multi-Step Equations, or solving really long equations that have lots and lots of steps. But they're not hard, they're just long. Lots and lots of steps. So before you can start singing your first song, your like maybe minus 2x song, there's 2 other things that you have to do before that. So let's go. Very first thing you should do is distributive property. The second thing you should do is combine like terms. So if you have any chicken legs or any green beans, you have to combine like terms. Then you're ready to sing your song. So first you're going to check, do you have any distributive property? Yes or no. Do you need to combine any like terms? Yes or no. Then you're ready for your first song. Alright, so let's look at this example. We've got 4 times negative 2x plus 5, and that's equal to 2x minus 10. So we're going to ask ourselves, do we have any distributive property? Answer is yes. We do that first. You get a car, you get a car. Negative 8x plus 20 is equal to 2x minus 10. Now it should look really similar to what you're used to seeing. We're going to get rid of the 2x first and sing the rest of it. So all we're adding is this yellow stuff that maybe you have to distribute, maybe you have to combine like terms before you start singing your songs. So when I subtract 2x, I get negative 10x, and I'm ready to rewrite. Now I want to subtract 20 from both sides, and I get negative 30. I'm ready to rewrite. Negative 10x equals negative 30. I'm ready to divide by negative 10. 2 negatives make a positive. X equals 3. Alright, look at this question. We've got distributive property on each side. So I need to distribute a negative 6 to this parentheses. I need to distribute the 4 to this parentheses. Then I'm ready to sing my song. You get a car, negative 6n minus 54. You get a car, 20n minus 28. Now I'm ready to subtract 20 n's from both sides. I end up with negative 26n, and I'm ready to rewrite. Negative 26n minus 54 is equal to negative 28. I'm going to add 54 to both sides. Cross out what's my answer. Negative 28 plus 54 is really a subtraction problem, and I get 26. Negative 26n equals 26. Divide by negative 26 over here. Cross out what's my answer. N is going to be negative 1. So I had to distribute on each side. Then I could start singing my songs, rewriting, singing my songs. Alright, let's look at this question. I don't see any distributive property, so I don't have to do that. But I do notice that I've got like terms on the left. Over here I have like terms on the right. So I need to add or subtract my like terms before I start singing the song. 4x minus, make sure you include that minus, 4x minus 2x is 2x. I rewrite the plus 8. 3 plus 13 is 16. Rewrite the plus 6x. Now it looks like what we've been doing, and I'm ready to start solving. And my final answer is x equals negative 2. So let's go back. We combine like terms on the left to get 2x. We combine like terms on the right to get 16. Now I'm ready to sing the song. I subtract 6x from each side. I subtracted 8 from each side. I divided by negative 4 from each side. X is negative 2. Our second lesson is Chapter 4, Lesson 2D. We're going to do multi-step inequalities. So don't forget when we did these inequalities before that if you multiply or divide by a negative number, so if you're singing the song and you sing multiply or divide by a negative, you have to change or flip the alligator mouth. Okay, so this looks just like it did with an equation, except that we have an alligator mouth. So I need to do my distributive property first. I distributed the 3 to 3r and the minus 4. I distributed my negative 3, multiplied each person by negative 3. Now it looks just like it did with an equation. I need to add 3r as my first step. I'm not flipping anything because I'm adding. It's an adding 3r. I only flip when I have multiply or divide. Add 3r, get 12r. Rewrite 12r minus 12 greater than 36. Minus 12, add 12, rewrite 12r is greater than 48. Here's where I'm going to multiply or divide. I'm dividing by 12. It's a positive 12, so I don't flip it. I keep it the same direction. And don't forget, we always have to graph. So here's my number line. It's an open dot colored to the right. R's are greater than 4. All right, let's try this one. First step is to distribute. I get negative 5p plus 35 is greater than 15. Remember, it was a positive 35 because two negatives make a positive. Now I'm ready to subtract 35 from both sides. Minus 35, cross it. What's my answer? It's really 35 minus 15. So I get 20. Think bigger, it's negative. Rewrite, negative 5p is greater than negative 20. I'm now dividing, and it's dividing by a negative. So that means that that alligator mouth has to change directions. So now p is less than instead of being greater than. Two negatives make a positive. I need a number line. Here's my 4. Here's my numbers on each side. Open dot, color left. Here are your Google Classroom questions. First question is, tell me the first step. Like, what is the absolute? If you see something, what should you do first? Question 2 and 3, type in a final answer. Actually, I think we better change this to just an alligator mouth that looks like that, because you have that symbol on your computer so you can type it in. So final answer, good luck.